The early 19th century saw a chilling phenomenon grip Britain: the rise of the Resurrectionists, or body snatchers. These nefarious individuals capitalized on the fear of grave robbing, a fear that was far from unfounded. The dead, it seemed, were not safe in their final resting places. The rapid advancement of medical science, while a beacon of progress, cast a dark shadow on the sanctity of death. The driving force behind this gruesome trade was a simple case of supply and demand. Medical schools, burgeoning with aspiring surgeons eager to hone their anatomical knowledge, faced a severe shortage of cadavers for dissection. Legal avenues for obtaining bodies, such as the bodies of executed criminals, proved woefully inadequate to meet the needs of the burgeoning medical profession. This is where the Resurrectionists stepped in, exploiting a grim opportunity. Under the cover of darkness, they would exhume freshly buried corpses, leaving behind little more than disturbed earth and a community in mourning. The 18th and 19th centuries witnessed an explosion of knowledge in the medical field, particularly in anatomy. Dissection became central to medical education. Aspiring surgeons relied on hands-on experience to refine their skills. This thirst for knowledge came at a price, paid in fear and outrage. The legal supply of bodies was insufficient to meet the demands of medical schools. The Anatomy Act of 1752 increased the demand for cadavers without providing a sufficient legal supply. This shortage created a lucrative black market for resurrectionists. In response to the growing threat of body snatching, communities sought ways to protect their deceased loved ones. Out of this climate of fear and desperation emerged the Mortsafe, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of a macabre threat. These sturdy, often imposing structures were designed with a single purpose: to deter grave robbers and ensure that the dead could rest in peace. Mortsafes varied in design, but their function remained consistent. Some took the form of heavy iron cages placed over the grave, their sturdy bars firmly anchored into the ground. Others resembled large iron boxes, encasing the coffin within their impenetrable embrace. These structures were often secured with heavy locks and chains, rendering them nearly impossible to breach without considerable effort and noise, both of which were in short supply during clandestine graveyard raids. The Mortsafe, in essence, transformed the grave into a temporary vault, a secure holding place until the body within had decayed past the point of interest to anatomists. Section 4. Beyond the iron cage, guarding the dead and changing laws. While Mortsafes provided a physical deterrent to body snatching, communities also employed other measures to protect their deceased. The fear of grave robbing was palpable, and families went to great lengths to ensure the safety of their loved ones. These efforts highlight the profound emotional and social impact of the Resurrectionists' activities. Night watches were instituted in many graveyards, with armed men patrolling the grounds, alert for any suspicious activity. Families would often keep vigil over freshly dug graves, their presence a testament to their determination to thwart any would-be body snatchers. Some even resorted to burying their dead beneath heavy stones or thorny bushes, creating additional obstacles for grave robbers. The fight against body snatching was not merely a matter of protecting corpses. It was a battle to preserve the sanctity of death and the mourning process itself. Section 5. The Anatomy Act of 1832, a turning point in medical history. The year 1832 marked a turning point in the fight against body snatching. This landmark legislation addressed the shortage of cadavers for medical schools. The Act's provisions reflected a growing societal understanding of ethical medical practices. It tightened regulations surrounding the licensing of anatomists. Section 6. A legacy etched in iron Mortsafes and their enduring significance. Today, Mortsafes stand as stark reminders of a darker chapter in medical history. These imposing structures, scattered across graveyards throughout Britain, serve as silent sentinels, their presence a testament to the fear and desperation that gripped communities in the face of body snatching. The legacy of the Mortsafe extends beyond its function as a physical barrier against grave robbers. It serves as a poignant symbol of the ethical dilemmas faced by a society grappling with rapid scientific advancements. The Mortsafe represents a clash between the pursuit of knowledge and the respect for human dignity, a conflict that continues to resonate in contemporary discussions about bioethics. These iron cages, though weathered by time, offer a tangible connection to the past, reminding us of the lengths to which people went to protect their loved ones, even in death.